the usual bath. After bath, mommy, you get cotton balls with alcohol. Ito, ilinis mo yung sa side. Yung dyan, no? Side. And then, ikot-ikot 5 times. Dito naman sa kabila, cotton balls with alcohol, ikot-ikot. And then sa likod, you just tap it. Ha? Usually walang cleaning. Yes, no? Mommy, you look at the ear, no? Ito. At saka ito. Hindi siya pantay. Mas maganda ito. Mami, kada mo muna siya, ha? I'll make it. Look at daddy, look at daddy.
Gab.
Alawang. Tinatapak mo na lahat. Kasi, dinipikit mo pa. Siyempre, makabuo.
Katuntat pa lang.
Mami,
It's okay, sweetheart. It's okay.
sobrang taas.
It's okay, it's okay. Don't move. Ay, marunong ka nga magdamid, ha?
Sandali. Op.
Gab.
Mas matagal ka bang umiyak sa ballpen?
Oo. Maano siya.
It's okay, sweetheart. It's okay.
Siyempre, ayoko yun.
It's okay. One more. One last.
Mami, because there are some mother, gusto niya malapit. There are some mother, gusto maala, no? You look kung okay ba yan.
Okay lang saan doktor yung gitna. Ang tagal umiyak sa ballpen. Teka. One last. Pero hindi na mag-isip.
Alam ba na mangyayari?
Do you know what doctors are supposed to do? Sige na, ano kasi pag later on, mas alam mo na, mas kaya mo na kaming labang. Sa ballpen, mas iyak yung tusok, hindi.
Laka ng luha, oh.
One more. Si Mami kasi We're done. Okay, we're done. Sorry, ha? Sisi na tayo eh. Kiss na.
So, mami, tomorrow, no, this one. Don't forget cotton ball, tapos with alcohol. Finish, ikot-ikot 5 times. Kasi you just do it every day for 5 days. Okay na yan.
Okay, no more.